My hotel room is not ready. Excuse me, I have a reservation under Molly.
Hello. Let me check that for you. One moment, please. I'm sorry, Molly. Your room is not ready yet?
Oh, really? I thought check-in starts at 2 o'clock.
Yes, that's correct. It's 2:15 now, but the room needs a little more cleaning.
I see. How long will it take?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour.
That's a long time. I'm really tired after my flight.
I understand. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. These things happen. Can I wait here?
Of course. You can sit in the lobby, or you can wait in our cafe.
Is the cafe expensive?
No, it's not expensive. A coffee is about $3.
Okay, that sounds fine. But can I leave my suitcase here first?
Yes, of course. We can store your luggage at the front desk.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
No problem. Can I have your suitcase, please?
Here you go. It's the black one with the blue tag.
Got it? I'll put it right behind the desk.
Thanks. So, is there anything else I should know while I wait?
Actually, we do have another option for you.
Really? What is it?
We have one room ready right now, but it's a different type.
What type is it?
It's a deluxe room instead of a standard room.
Is it more expensive?
Normally, yes. It's usually $40 more per night.
Oh, that's a big difference.
But since your room isn't ready, we can offer it at no extra cost.
Wait, really? For free?
Yes, it's our way of apologizing for the delay.
That's very kind. What's different about the deluxe room?
It's bigger, and it has a view of the garden instead of the parking lot.
That sounds much better than my old flight seat.
I'm sure it will be more comfortable.
Does it have a bathtub? My standard room only had a shower.
Yes, the deluxe room has both a bathtub and a shower.
Perfect. I'd love a hot bath after this long trip.
Great choice. Let me update your reservation.
Sure, go ahead.
Can I see your passport again, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Mali, your last name is spelled L-I, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. I'm updating the room now.
Take your time.
Okay, it's done. Your new room is on the 5th floor, room 512.
Great, and when will it be ready?
Actually, this room is already clean. It's ready now.
Wait, so I don't have to wait 30 minutes?
No, you can go up right away.
That's a relief. I was ready to fall asleep in the lobby.
Ha, I understand completely. Long flights are tiring.
Yes, mine was almost 14 hours.
Wow, that's a long flight. Where did you fly from?
From Shanghai. I had one layover in Tokyo.
That explains the tired eyes. Here is your key card.
Thank you. Is breakfast included with this room?
Yes, breakfast is included every morning from 7 to 10.
Perfect. I love hotel breakfasts.
Me too. The restaurant is on the 2nd floor next to the elevator.
Got it. And what's the Wi-Fi password?
It's printed on the key card holder. It's the same for the whole hotel.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes. Can I get a wake-up call tomorrow?
Sure. What time would you like?
7:30, please. I have a meeting at 9.
No problem. I'll write that down for you.
Thank you. Also, is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, it's on the 3rd floor. It's open 24 hours.
That's great. I might go there tomorrow morning.
Good idea. It helps with jet lag.
I hope so. One more question. Is there parking here?
Are you driving, or is this for someone picking you up?
My colleague might visit by car later.
I see. We have parking, but it's $20 per night.
Okay, I'll let her know.
Sure. Just tell her to mention your room number at the gate.
Got it. Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome. Let me confirm everything one more time.
Okay.
Room 512, deluxe room, breakfast included, wake-up call at 7:30.
That's all correct.
Perfect. Here is your key card, and here is a small welcome gift.
Oh, what is it?
It's a voucher for a free drink at the rooftop bar.
Wow, thank you so much. This upgrade is amazing.
It's our pleasure, Molly. Enjoy your stay.
I will. This turned out much better than I expected.
I'm glad. If you need anything, just call the front desk. My name is Jack.
Thank you, Jack. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Have a wonderful stay.
I will. See you later, maybe at the rooftop bar.
I hope so. Enjoy your bath first.
Definitely. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Molly. Welcome to the hotel.